Welcome to the installation of Fishbone Off-Road's flashlight mount for the 1997 to 2006 TJ Wrangler. Step 1. Locate the front two seat bolts just below your driver or passenger seat. Remove these using a 1/2-inch socket and torque wrench. Step 2. Slide your flashlight mount over the seat rail and secure it by replacing the two seat bolts. The factory and safety recommended torque should be 35 foot-pounds. Step 3. Place your D-cell flashlight of choice into the brackets and you're done. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road flashlight mount for your TJ Wrangler.